Electricians all use a wire stripper. Stripping is very easy. Cutting is very sharp and neat. The large arc-shaped cutting edge is suitable for copper wires. Cutting. This position also has a wire pulling function. It is also used for branching various mutual conductors. It is also very convenient and easy to wrap wires without damaging the wire core. Here, various wire terminals can be crimped. Crimping is quick and tight. This place can cut iron wire. Easy to disconnect. It also has a winding function, saving time and effort. You can screw screws here, and it also has a safety lock buckle. You can purchase it in the lower left corner if you like.